There are no hard and fast rules at a buffet. With various food choices, a diner can take what looks good, is exciting, and is best for one's diet and preference, especially those dishes one never gets tired of eating. Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us on this food trip to dine on the third floor of the newly opened KOKO Buffet Restaurant at 281 Tuazon Blvd, Cubao, Quezon City. KOKO Buffet Restaurant has a spacious, relaxed ambiance and comfortable dining area with a perfect indoor cooling system. It is an eat-all-you-can restaurant that serves a variety of unbeatable favorites such as Korean, Chinese, Filipino, and Japanese dishes at a budget-friendly price of 299 pesos for lunch and 399 pesos for dinner. The restaurant's daily dining promo is available at lunchtime from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and dinner time from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. with a 2-hour dining time limit. We started our dinner with appetizers like pork siomai, kimbap, mixed vegetable salad, and hot crab and corn soup with noodles. The main dishes spread at the buffet are fried chicken karaage, squid calamari with vinegar, cream dory fish fillet with teriyaki sauce, mixed tempura, vegetable spring rolls, bok choy in oyster sauce, stir-fried vegetables, ampalaya con carne, pork giniling, marinated eggs, chapchay noodles, and jimdak, a popular Korean braised chicken dish with glass noodles that soak up its sweet and salty flavorful sauce. The appetizing meals are perfectly balanced with the delicious yangchow fried rice. We then indulge in our favorite Filipino dishes, highlighted by the well-seasoned lechon kawale, so flavorful with crispy skin and tender meat. Alongside is the pancit palabok, topped with hard-boiled quail eggs in savory shrimp sauce. Additionally, we enjoy the spicy coconut cream Bicol Express dish known natively as sinilihan, and the kare-kare with tender beef tripe in thick and rich peanut sauce complemented with sautéed shrimp paste or bagoong gisado and steamed rice on the side. For the special dishes, we tried the Korean dish bibimbap. We were served a bowl of warm plain rice topped with various sautéed vegetables, piece cake and slices of ham meat drizzled with sesame oil, sunny-side up egg, and toasted sesame seeds. The dish was seasoned with bibimbap sauce, which makes it sweet, spicy, and umami. It paired well with stir-fried fish cakes and fermented kimchi banchan. Next, we had the hearty shabu-shabu soup, a delicious Japanese nabemono hot pot dish loaded with thinly sliced meat, hot pot balls, and vegetables, which filled us up and satisfied us. For the refreshment, the unlimited meals also include cool and refreshing red iced tea and pink lemonade. Sweet tooths like us always leave some space for delightful desserts as sweet enders to our feast, like fruits of yellow watermelon and papaya. Coffee jelly with soft serve vanilla and chocolate ice cream. Also enjoyed cup after cup of coffee bendo and hot brewed coffee paired with cookies and donuts. Furthermore, KOKO Buffet Restaurant is also an event place that caters to big parties and can accommodate around 120 people. The party venue can be arranged around a theme and designed with balloons in small touches of calming and soothing colors, which can make all the difference. Secure your seats and reserve early to take advantage of their affordable dining promos and event packages. For inquiries, call or message 0945 514 0275 and 0956 805 2751. We'll see you on our next food trip. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.